Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain about how to check average picks per inch and how to check feeder wise picks per inch. After making design, you can check with this picks per inch, average picks per inch and feeder wise picks per inch. After making the design, you just open your file, JC5 or EP file or anything, card file. Just open in the Textile and select the hook, cramming hook. If it is cramming, you have to select the first cramming hook, and then uh, what is the pix per inch of the you choose for that design, divide with that pix, you get the height of the design. Then you just select first feeder, second feeder, third feeder, whatever the feeders are there, select one by one and check the number of peaks are there in the design. Then you just divide with the height of the design. So you get the average peaks per inch and also feeders peaks per inch. So now I am going to select one design and then I show you. First I am going to open this Textile. Whatever the EP file or JC file I have, I just open now by going to file, card, import and select the design. Okay, now I am going to select one JC file design or EP file I am selecting. This is a sari design which I make this in 42 pix per inch of one single feeder. Now this is the sari. In this sari design I used 3 shuttles, 3 selectors, 3 feeders. So this is the body of design, this is border and this is border area, pallu area. This is the design. The total hooks of the design is 5408 and picks of the design is 22,730 picks. You can see here. So now I want to check the average picks per inch for this design, and also I want to check feeder wise picks per inch. You can see here it is started from here. It is a hooks number is 5377. Here is first swept, this is second feeder, and in the third feeder it is in here it is third feeder. In this is the cramming hook of the design. So first, how you calculate the design, how you calculate the average picks per inch for the this design. So here is somewhere it is one feeder is running and here it is 2. In the somewhere else the design is 3 feeders are running, and again in the top you can see single feeder is running, and again in the top side you can see 2 feeders are running. So how you calculate the average picks per inch for this design? So whatever the design, first you have to see the cramming hook, then select from the starting. Total design you have to select with the selection tool. I am going to select total picks of the design. One that particular cramming pick I am selecting now. Total picks of the design. So this is the one hook of the cramming, and here you can see one hook I selected, and here it is 22,730 picks. Here you can see total picks I have selected here. Now what you have to do is go to the colors, and in the colors select the statistics. In the statistics you can see two colors are there, one is red color and one is white color. It is showing total picks of the design. In the red color it is cramming hook, cramming. White color is without cramming. So in this what you have to do is select the number 2 white area. You have to select without cramming picks. You have to take that number, and what is the number of picks is 10,171 picks are there. So this is the without cramming picks. In this you have to divide with these picks. What is the design edited in the Textile? What is the one selector picks per inch? So I choose for this design 42 picks per inch. So 42 you can divide with the without cramming picks with the 42 picks per inch. So you get this design height in inches. The design length of this saree is 242 inches, 242.16 inches. It means 2.54 you can multiply here. So you can get 6.15 meters of saree. This is the 6.15 meters. So I am getting in inches. It is how much? It is 242.16 inches. It is the design length of the design. How we get this? The without cramming picks you can take 10,171 divided by what is the picks per inch I choose for this design, 42 picks per inch. So the length of the design is 242.16 inches. So this is the 242.16 inches. So now you can easily calculate the average picks per inch this design. So you can keep in mind this, the height of the length of the saree 242.16. So now what you have to do is take this total number of picks. How much it is? 22,730 divided by length in inches. How many inches we have? 242.16. So you can get, this is the average picks per inch of this saree. Average picks per inch it is 93.86 inches. 86 picks. This is the average picks per inch of this saree. Because how you get this? Cramming pick is not counted in the loom. You know that. So I just divided with the empty picks. Without cramming picks I divided with the picks per inch, actual picks per inch. Then whatever the height length of the design I get, I just divide with the total number of picks. Like 22,730 divided by 242.16. This is length of the saree in inches. So you get this. This is the average picks per inch of this saree. What is this? 93.86. You can say it as 94 picks per inch. Average picks per inch is 94. So we know this 94 picks per inch. I just type here 94 average pick is 94 I can say. So how to check average picks per inch is 94 picks per inch of this saree. Now how to check feeder wise picks per inch? We get the 94 picks per inch, but first feeders, second feeders, third feeder, how many picks per inch are there for feeder wise? So what we have to do is, first I am going to select here in the same design. I select now first web, second web and third web, total length of the design. Okay, from starting to end. Okay, this is the first web of the design, first feeder of the design. Okay, now so you can see one book has selected and total number of picks. Now you just go to the color statistics and check there. Here it is. In the count is first web is running 1700 10,171 picks. So you just divide with this 10,171 divided by length of the saree. Length of the saree. Length of the saree in inches, how much it is? 242.16. You can get the picks per inch. How much it is? 42 picks per inch. You just take here for first shuttle, first feeder, how much it is? 42 picks. PPI. You can call it as PPI. And for next second shuttle, go to this and now select the second feeder of the design. Same thing, you have to select the total picks from starting to end. This is second feeder as selected now, and check the picks. This is 6,904 picks. You just take calculator and 6,904 divided by how much it is? 242.16. Sorry, 6,904 divided by 242.16. How much it is? 29.5. Second feeder picks per inch is 28.5 ppi. Okay, Now third feeder pix per inch. Okay, same thing. Select the third feeder from starting to end, and this is the third one. Okay, now this is third feeder. This is total peaks selected. Now just check here how many peaks are there. 5655. 5655 divided by 242.16. How much it is? 23.35. Okay, you can take 23.5. Now here third feeder it is 23.5 approximately. Okay, now how much it is you can just check. Take calculator. How much feeder wise it is 42, 28.5 for second feeder. Third feeder it is 23.5. 23.5 plus 28.5 plus 42. Okay, how much it is getting? 94. You can check here. Average peaks per inch is 94 and feeder wise peaks per inch is 94. Total peaks per inch is 94. So feeder wise it is, first feeder it is 42 and second feeder it is 28.5 peaks per inch and third feeder it is 23.5 peaks per inch. So by this you just calculate your costing of the saree, because in the first feeder if you using polyester you can calculate the weight as per this, and if you use the second weft is jari cost is high than the polyester, so you can calculate with this peaks per inch you can calculate the costing of the jari. And third feeder whatever it may be, polyester or jari or somewhere else something else, so you can just calculate. This is very helpful when you are calculating the cost of the saree, and also you can calculate the production of the of the day. You can calculate the how much production you can get by using this average peaks. How much sarees you can make per day, you can easily calculate. For this purpose it is very helpful. When you know these things, you can easily calculate the production, cost of the saree and the weight of the saree. Weight of the saree also you can easily calculate. So this is how you can easily calculate. I hope you understand this video. You understand how to check the average peaks per inch and how to check the feeder wise peaks per inch. If you have any doubts, you can send me the messages in the YouTube, or you can send me the messages in the WhatsApp. And now I am going to give my number in the description also. You can check this. If you like this video, you can subscribe my channel, like and comment this. Thank you so much for your cooperation. Thank you.